Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update. So the problem you were seeing on the employee sheet, negative marking on the F4 cell F4. This was because the entry on the log sales log was not showing the correct total percentages. So I think these values are off because the 5,000 price for the 20 item will always become almost become 100,000. Yeah, exactly 100,000, and this is only 15,000. So I think there is something wrong with these values. Please fix these values with the correct percentage markup, and we will see the right results onward on this employee sheet. Um, yep, I have added the let me I have added the 10% markup for this one, but I don't know what should be the markup on this one. So please fix these values with the markup percentage. Just multiply these two by my markup and then add it in the 5,000 again. So once done, you will see the right values on the employee sheet. Regarding the assets calculation, for the per day calculation, I have set up a code where you need to activate this one only one time. But if you want to see it real time, at any point of time, you want to update the balance and just want to see, you can always click on this one and this will update. Let me click on this one and show you. This will get updated. You see, all the values got updated. So let me do undo on this one. So this is undo. Now, if you will click this button only one time, this will create a trigger on the back end, and that will run on every 900 hours Australia time, and that these all values all these values will get updated. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if I missed something or you need any further assistance. Take care. Thank you.